very easy to have a set to accommodate disabled people and to have disabled actors. That's not the challenge. The challenge is the 5 days part, and to do it on a very low budget, which it was all coming out of my pocket for me, at least, which is very difficult to have very big ideas in which I wanted to do justice by like my community and represent these big themes.